Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare zinc alloy versus stainless steel watches. We'll explore the key characteristics of each material, helping you understand their strengths and weaknesses. This will guide you in making an informed decision when selecting your next timepiece. We'll cover aspects like durability, cost, weight, and appearance, ensuring you have a comprehensive overview. So, let's dive into the details and see which material might be the better fit for you. Zinc alloy watches are often a budget-friendly option, making them accessible to many. This material is notably lighter than stainless steel, which can be a significant comfort factor for daily wear or during physical activities. Its excellent fluidity allows for complex and detailed case designs. However, zinc alloy can be more susceptible to scratches and may show signs of wear, like fading or bending, more quickly than stainless steel, especially with frequent use. Stainless steel is a popular choice for watches due to its exceptional durability and resistance to rust and tarnish. It provides a robust and long-lasting case that can withstand daily wear and tear, maintaining its aesthetic appeal for years. While heavier than zinc alloy, many associate this weight with a sense of quality and luxury. Specific grades, such as 316L, are also widely regarded as hypoallergenic, reducing the risk of skin irritation for many wearers. Deciding between zinc alloy and stainless steel ultimately depends on your priorities. If you seek a lightweight, cost-effective watch with a wide array of design options, zinc alloy is an excellent choice. For those prioritizing maximum durability, scratch resistance, and a more substantial, long-lasting feel, stainless steel is generally the better investment. Both materials offer distinct benefits, so consider your daily activities and budget to find the perfect watch for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.